Hi, my name is Becky Bishop, and this is Josephus Beale, and we're part of the Baltimore Learning Community project here at the University of Maryland at College Park. This project is a partnership with Baltimore City Public Schools, Discovery Communications Incorporated, Space Telescope Science Institute, National Archives, and Apple Computers. It is part of a project funded by a U.S. Department of Education Technology Challenge grant. This video will show how teachers can create and share learning unit modules using multimedia resources. The BLC main menu contains links to the resources and module template, as well as links to professional support and digital libraries. By selecting Resources on Demand, we reach the module template. This template allows a teacher to create a lesson or unit plan online that will serve as a teaching link to educational resources. The demonstration module we will be looking at, Experiments in Space, is for middle school science students. Imagine I'm the teacher who created this module about experiments in space for middle school science students. First, I enter the date, school subject, grade, and topic. This will help other teachers find my module for ideas or for use in their own classrooms. Next, I need to specify the related outcomes. These outcomes are categories used in the Maryland School Performance Assessment Program, MSPAP. Here are the science outcomes for grades 6 through 8. I choose Nature of Science as the science outcome for this module. Now I describe the lesson plan. Let's say students will apply and synthesize knowledge about NASA space experiments to design their own space experiments. In the Before Instruction section, I select the type of learning activity that students would do before starting the module. For example, cooperative learning or experiment. I indicate how students will be grouped. For this lesson, there will be small groups and whole class work. I also select cognitive operations, predict, and evaluate for my lesson. Now I'm ready to select my educational resources from the bar field display. There are a lot of resources available, so we first see the graphic overview. Resources are organized by topic on the vertical axis and by outcomes on the horizontal axis. Each bar is colored to indicate the type of resource: text, website, picture, video, and soon we will have modules. By clicking on a bar, the corresponding list of resources in that category appears. These resources have been selected and indexed according to MSPAP standards by the project team. We have also created the Baltimore Learning Community Resource Catalog, a plain HTML version that allows users to browse and select resources. The index on the left shows 3 lists: the master list, science resources, and social studies resources. I can click on the space under the science resources and then browse some interesting websites: the Astronaut Fact Book, NASA Facts about Careers in Aerospace Technology, and Food for Spaceflight. Now let's go to the presentation mode to review the completed module with the captured resources. Here is a sample of video produced by Discovery Communications Incorporated. This clip gives the students an introduction to Space Shuttle Payloads. This video clip is a resource I have included in my module.
Getaway specials, or gas payloads, give civilians, schools, and private companies the chance to put an experiment on the shuttle for as little as $3,000. These experiments must fit into special canisters designed by NASA. STS-57 is carrying 12 of these gas payloads. One of them is designed by students from Charleston County, South Carolina. It's called Can Do. Up until this mission, all of the photographs taken from the shuttle had been shot through the spacecraft's thick glass windows. So the students designed a camera setup called GeoCam to fit on top of their Can Do canister. It would take pictures through a clear optical window.
Another resource in this module is a NASA website showing shuttle mid-deck lockers that contain the experiments. With a click, I can open the lockers and learn about the experiments from one shuttle mission, such as the human life science data collected in space. During this lesson, students will interact with this site to gain ideas for their collaborative development of their own space experiments. Another resource in my module shows the scientists involved with the mission. As part of the lesson, students will compose email letters to NASA scientists about the experiments they have designed in class. During use in the classroom, I simply click on the module resources to show them to my students. The completed module now lives on the server and is available to other teachers.
The goal for this project is to demonstrate the potential of hypermedia technology for classrooms. The future of technology in education is full of exciting possibilities, and we hope the BLC demonstration has been able to show you how technology can be used in future classrooms.